Will I have eaten all the candy before dinner? Of course. What's dinner without a sugar rush? Will you have finally learned to tie your shoes? Probably not. Velcro is still the way to go. Will he have finished his homework before bedtime? Only if bedtime is next year. Will she have stopped talking about unicorns? Nope. Unicorns are a lifestyle. Will we have cleaned our room before Mom sees it? If shoving everything under the bed counts, then yes. Will they have saved any pizza for us? Highly unlikely. Pizza is a treasure. Will I have mastered the art of whistling? Only if making weird air noises counts as whistling. Will you have stopped watching cartoons all day? Why stop when I can watch them forever? Will he have built the world's tallest Lego tower? Yes, and it will collapse right before the final piece. Will she have taken a normal selfie for once? Never. Funny faces are the only way. Will we have eaten all the cookies before the guests arrive? Absolutely. Guests can have fruit instead. Will they have finally agreed on what movie to watch? Nope. The battle continues. Will I have grown tall enough to ride the roller coaster? Maybe, but I'll still stand on my toes just in case. Will you have stopped asking, "Are we there yet?" Probably not. Asking is half the fun. Will he have found his missing socks? Nope. The sock monster strikes again. Will she have remembered to bring her lunch? Only if someone reminds her 10 times. Will we have finished our art project on time? More like an abstract masterpiece of procrastination. Will they have survived a whole day without Wi-Fi? Impossible. SOS. Will I have trained my dog to do my homework? No, but he will have chewed it up for me. Will you have learned how to cook by next year? If burning toast counts, then yes. Will he have stopped making silly jokes? Never. Laughter is a full-time job. Will she have finished reading her book? Yes, but only if there's a movie version. Will we have built the biggest pillow fort ever? Yes. And no parents are allowed inside. Will they have broken something by the end of the day? Definitely. It's a talent. Will I have finally learned to ride a bike without falling? Probably not, but falling is part of the fun. Will you have survived eating vegetables for a whole week? Unlikely. I'll need emotional support. Will he have made a world record for the biggest burp? Yes, and it will be legendary. Will she have covered every wall with stickers? Absolutely. It's called wall art. Will we have played video games for 10 hours straight? Yes, but our eyes will need a vacation. Will they have remembered to charge their tablets? Nope. The battery will die at the worst moment. Will I have turned the bathtub into a swimming pool? Yes, and the bathroom into a flood zone. Will you have stopped stealing my fries? Never. Fries are meant to be shared. Will he have finally found his lost toy? Yes, but only after buying a new one. Will she have danced so much that the floor shakes? Yes, it's called an earthquake dance. Will we have eaten breakfast before lunchtime? Unlikely. Breakfast at noon is the best. Will they have gone a day without making a mess? Never! Mess making is a daily mission. Will I have remembered my backpack before school? Probably not. I'll remember when I get there. Will you have finally won against me in a pillow fight? Not a chance. My pillow skills are unbeatable. Will he have used all the toothpaste just for fun? Yes, and the sink will be covered in bubbles. Will she have made the world's biggest bubblegum bubble? Yes, and it will pop all over her face. Will we have managed to stay quiet for 5 minutes? Not even close. Silence is impossible. Will they have eaten all the ice cream before I get home? 100% yes. Ice cream waits for no one. Will I have learned to snap my fingers? Maybe, but only one hand will work. Will you have stopped pressing all the elevator buttons? Nope. Pressing them all is the best part. Will she have finally stopped laughing at her own jokes? Never. She's her biggest fan. Will we have finished our board game before midnight? Nope. We'll argue about the rules for hours. Will they have finally decided what to order at the restaurant? Probably not. Too many options. Will I have finally figured out how to open a jar by myself? No, but I'll still pretend I loosened it. Will you have stopped texting while walking into things? Doubt it. Walls appear out of nowhere. Will he have managed to wake up on time without an alarm? Nope. He'll sleep through an earthquake. Will she have finally picked an outfit without changing 10 times? Highly unlikely. Fashion crisis every day. Will we have gone on a road trip without getting lost? No way. GPS will betray us again. Will they have figured out how to share the remote peacefully? Never. The TV war is eternal. Will I have finished my milkshake before you even get a sip? Of course. First come, first sip. Will you have learned to chew quietly? Probably not. Crunching is a skill. Will he have finally understood how to use the microwave? Nope. He will still explode something. Will she have survived a full day without saying, "I'm bored"? Impossible. It's her favorite phrase. Will we have built the biggest sandcastle at the beach? Yes, until a wave ruins everything. Will they have finally stopped snoozing their alarm? Not a chance. Snooze is their best friend. Will I have remembered to bring my umbrella before it rains? Nope. I'll realize it when I'm already soaked. Will you have finished all your Halloween candy by morning? Of course. Who saves candy anyway? Will he have finally stopped taking blurry photos? Nope. Every picture will still be a mystery. Will she have found a way to make chores fun? Yes, by making her sibling do them. Will we have stayed awake for the entire movie? Highly unlikely. Popcorn first, nap second.